let's jump in here. We're going to go over how to draw the Mosasaurus. So, from Jurassic World. I guess Dominion. He's also in Dominion. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line straight right there for the mouth. Curve along the side here. I'm going to pull over here for the top of the mouth. It's going to kind of go back here in a flat-like way. Outside over there on the right. Curve over here on the inside. Circle here for the eye, okay? I keep having to change markers because a lot of my markers are dying out. If you do want to donate, go to my PayPal. You can donate. Go over here. And around I'm going to draw these sharp teeth. And I'm going to just make them triangular and different sizes. Dot, curve underneath. And I'm going to draw another curved line here for the brow. All right, you want to make sure to draw that brow in. All right, line straight over here. I'm going to another tooth. Go ahead for the side of the mouth. Curve in. Down. Over here. For the jaw here. Line up for the back of the jaw. And we're going to draw some teeth back here as well. Let's draw a curved line from here, from the inside of the mouth here, to show that the tongue is in there. Right on. Let's go over here to the bottom of the mouth. Line down. Curve underneath. And back of the jaw here. Right there. Line over here. And we're going to go into the curve of the body. And let's go over here for the flipper on the front here. Right on. Curve over here. Top of the head. And it's kind of going into the body there. Nostril at the front. Line over here. Let's go to the other fin on the front here. Like so. And we're going to curve the line back here because you're going to see his body kind of go back into space a little bit. So maybe around this point, you're going to see the other fin come out. Curve over here. Curve over here. And we're going to go a line out there for the tail. It's kind of going, it's receding into the background, right? And that's kind of the effect we want. We want it to be receding into the background. Let's go over here to the back of the head here, put like a bump right there. Curve over here. Line over here on this side. It gets bigger. The tail gets bigger at the end. Okay. Line here in the middle. And I'm going to draw a little bit of spikes here on the top right there. Little bit of spikes. Very small. It kind of has that feel and design, and you know, the spikes thing. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a thin line for the counter shading over here. Thin line over here for the counter shading. And then maybe some small bumps here at the top. I don't know if it had scales per se, if it had like a crocodile's face. I know that there are some scales around the upper body, maybe around the face that you could throw. They're real thin. So what I do is like I do a little curve right there and I kind of put it everywhere, right? Curve, curve, curve. Curve over here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back into the mouth area, and I want to give it a dark right here. Give it some darkness. And I want that because I want the back of the mouth to kind of go back into space, because that's kind of what we're doing at some point. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. If you want more dinosaurs, let me know over in the comment section. I will make it happen if you just let me know. I mean, obviously, Mosasaurus is technically not a dinosaur, but, you know, it's in that era, living at the same time. Kind of has a lot of characteristics like it. Thank you so much.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.